No customers. A customer. Finally.
How old is this? What is it?
Mine.
Old?
Yeah, sure. Okay, how many? 3. Come right this way. So it's right here. Come on!
And did you pull it up to him?
You get in the middle. But I thought you and Mommy had to sit next to each other. No, that's fine, sweetie. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Look, no customers. Did 3 people attach around a little dog and a pug come in and say 3? Yes. Great, bring me to them. Mom, I'm sorry I'm late. It's okay. Come on. You're gonna have to have someone to serve them. Yes. Brian, we have someone to serve. We need someone. May I get you a drink? No. Yeah, no. No, thank you. No. Okay, then. So, no drinks. And would you like any food? We need menus. Sorry.
You still want to keep it?
Here are some menus.
Did you flush the other toilet? No, it's your one.
Pasta looks yum. Yeah, I think I'll get the pasta.
Can you please flush the other one?
Share the pasta.
Thank you.
Fine. I think I'll share the macaroni with Daddy. Sure. I'll raise my hand. No, I will. Raising hand. Yes, have you made your decision? Yeah. Have you made your decision?
Yes, I have made it.
Yes. Yes. What would you like? Me and my daughter would split the pasta. Okay. And you two will split the macaroni. Okay.
February 10th.
Macaroni and
But
pasta.
I'm sure you're not going to eat it, right?
Okay, I'll be back with those. Let me take your menus.
It's a massive box.
How many? 1. Come right this way. You can sit right here. Oh no. What is it, Mommy? There's something is gonna go on. I just know it. Okay. I think the man's coming. Yeah. I hope he is. I have the food. Pasta. It's for you two. And you two. The macaroni. Come on, eat up. Yummy! What would you like? Oh, I need to see the menu! Oh, sorry. Here you go. Here's a menu. Finally a menu. Finally a menu. Ow. Where is it? Let me see here. There's so many stuff to choose from. There's so many stuff. What shall I choose? I think the nice muffin. Oh my god, camera stand up. I think the nice muffin cake will be delicious. Are you ready to order? Yes, I am. Yes, and what would you like? I would like, let me write it down, let me get my paper. Okay, what would you like? The delicious strawberry muffin. Strawberry muffin. And would you like a drink? No thanks. Here is your strawberry muffin. Pasta's delicious. Yep. 3 minutes later. That was delicious! Yummy. Yeah, that was delicious. Yes, what would you need? What would you need? We are done. And what would you like for dessert, if you need anything? We're good. Yeah, we're good. Okay. Dirty dishes! Come on, kids, let's go. Okay, Mom. Okay, Mommy. Yeah, okay. Kids, go wait at the car. Okay. Here's the money. Okay. Crime. Why do I even bother?